Wilcox is an ISO 9001-2015 certified facility. Through the years, we've used this standard to keep us focused to ensure that we deliver a reliable product to our customers. We consistently monitor the quality of our product. It is our job to ensure that our products will work each and every time. Our customer focus should always be on a task at hand, not about the performance of our product. Our dedication to quality reflects that understanding, from the inspection of single components using high-precision measuring equipment to rigorous reliability and performance tests of our finished product.
At Wilcox, quality assurance and quality control are paramount so that we consistently provide our customers with reliable, cutting-edge tactical products. To accomplish this, Wilcox implements rigorous life cycle and environmental testing for each and every product we manufacture. When the product is complete, to ensure that the unit adheres to our design and the customer specifications, the final QA testing is done on custom measurement equipment that is also created in Wilcox's optical lab.